is a bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is it long or short? Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short? This bird a stork? No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? Look at the bird. It is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the clouds? They are white. Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is hot. The bird is very hot and very tired. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the house and tree. That is river. There is water in the river. No, it is not a river. It is road. There is no water in the river. The bird is very hot and very tired. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the sheep. But the bird cannot drink it. There is water. There is salt in the water in the sea. The bird is very hot and very tired. What can the bird see now? It can see the house. What can the bird see now? What can the bird see now? It is house. Table near the house. It is door and the window. Now, near the window. The grass. The word is palm of the grass. There is dark bird. It is no more in the bowl. Bird is sitting on the side of the grass. The water is in the grass. The bird cannot drink it. The bird is what is it doing? It is beside the stone. It is picking up the stone. It is carrying one stone. It is very hot and very tired. The bird is sitting on the side of the glass. The one stone is what is doing? The bird is beside the stone. It is picking up another stone. The stone is bird's beak. The bird is sitting on the side of the glass. Another stone in the grass. The bird is very hot and very tired. There is water in the bowl. The bird is walking hard. It is picking up the stone. How many stones are there? How many stones are there? What it is doing? How many stones are there in the grass now? It is carrying the stone. It is picking up the stone. It is carrying. How many stones are there in the grass? It is carrying the grass. The bird can't drink it. The bird is happy. The water is going up. It is safe a stone. The bird is not hot. It is not tired. Bye bye. See you next time.